Some people says Makumalo, she got the surrogate for the baby. We don't know because last time they've a conversation with Musamseleku, Makumalo and Musamseleku. They were discussing about a child, what for a surrogate, what, but we don't know because those discussions, those conversations are last year on August, you understand? Because they were shooting season 8 on July and August. You understand? Maybe she got a surrogate because those people who bring news here in social media are those people who are shooting. You understand? Who are shooting Utando Nestembu. They know their reality life. You understand? They know before us because there is some news last year in social media says Musamseleku he is admitted. You understand? Some people says it's a lie. What? No. Some of the news is not a lie because those people who bring news on social media are those people who are shooting Utando Nestembu because people who are shooting, especially producers. You understand? Those producers and directors, they bring news on social media before the show. You understand it? Because they bring the news before season 8. You understand it? Because those people who are shooting, the directors and the producers, they bring news on social media before it reviews on TV. You understand? Just because, guys, sometimes they are wrong, those directors and producers, because they have to keep it in secret. We have to see those in that show on season 9 or season 8 because people they are already know that Musamselekwi is admitted, but we didn't know that is the truth. You understand? Just because those people who are shooting, you understand, who are shooting, the directors and the producers most of the times, and the especially cameramen, because the cameraman he knows everything. You understand? Those people they bring news on social media before we see the show on TV. We are already know everything before we see the show because we have to know the surrogate about Makumalo and Musamseleko on season 9 because now it is the end of season 8. You understand? Because guys, those those people who are shooting Utando Nestem, they bring news before. You understand? They bring news before because they want those things to trend on their pages. You understand? But they are killing the production because they want to keep secret because they want people to watch a TV.